Well, I got the new stainless exhaust on, and it's an aFe down tube Catalytic converter. It was troublesome, but I worked my way through it. And then Banks torque tube stainless header. Well, I needed a mount for the pipe over here, so I did this mount, and I made this skid plate for my transmission. Pretty cool, huh? And it bolts up. And let's spin around here and look at this. Oh yeah, pretty cool stuff. Pretty happy with it. It sounds good. I don't know if you can see up in there. The new cats are up in there. Metal cloak skid plate for the oil pan. It's in there. It's all good. I want to thank Nick Thompson. Customer stopped by yesterday, and I was trying to get this critter up in here. These downpipes, I had to do some massaging. Anyways, it needed a couple hands, and he crawled underneath here and helped me. So, pretty cool. Now let's go see how it sounds. See if I can get out from underneath here. Oh yeah, she looks good.
That's all, folks.
Hear that? We gotta go back to work.